You're welcome to our YouTube channel. This is Art Brown's Academy. Today I am going to show you how to design a church flyer like this one you are seeing on the screen. And this is the Holy Ghost Encounter program that will be designed for a church. And some of my students have been asking me how to design something like this, especially getting the pictures well arranged and also the program name. So let me show you my resources. I have my background here. That's the first thing I would like to show you. My background is here. If you want this background, I can send it to you, but you have to be a student because we only share this kind of files with our student alone. So if you're not our student, probably you may not have access to the resources files, but then you can follow the steps, get your files ready and design it. If today is your first time coming across our video, please subscribe now. Thank you so much for doing that, and make sure that you share this video with a friend who is struggling to design a church flyer. This can help you to design different kinds of church flyers, either for your church or do it as a business using CorelDraw. This design is done in CorelDraw. Okay, all right, so I have my font ready. I have all these fonts are in the design. We have garlands, we have roof extra bold, we have stretch pro basic, and we have Malgon Gothic. So these are the fonts that I'm going to use, and then these are the pictures that have been sent to me. This is the head pastor, this is a junior pastor. So we have the date icon, the location icon, and the time icon already. Like I said, we can share all of this with you if you're our student. Then we have their names here. Okay, so this is God is ready for you. Just come, and then the contact will be at the bottom of the design as you are seeing here. Are you see? All right, so can we start? Let's start. If you know me very well, you should know that I do most of my designs in square, especially if that design is not going to be printed. I do them in square so that it can be used by anyone on social media, WhatsApp DP, social media DP, and all that. Also, I do that because I want the design to be simple and visible when it's being posted on social media. If a design is being posted on Facebook, for example, and it's long, you have to tap on it to see the full design. But if it's square, once you scroll, you see the full design. All right, the first thing I will do is I'm going to create my page size. Okay, and I do all my square designs inches unit. Okay, so open your CorelDraw like this, and then whilst your page is opened, come to unit and make sure you have inches there. Okay, now come to the size of the page, that is the A4 page. Come here, select all this number and type 8 on the keyboard. The same thing applies to this one, and type 8, then just click anywhere. So your page will be customized to 8 by 8 inches. Now double click on this tool. It is called rectangle tool, to have an outline around the whole page. Right, now click on the pick tool like this, click on your background, and then go to object on the menu bar like this, go to power clip, click on place inside frame, then click on your outline here. So the background will go into the outline. It is called power clip. All right, now let's adjust the background in the power clip. Click on edit here, and then bring the background down like this, and then make it small like this. Perfect. I want this person here to show and these people here to also show, so that is okay, but let me raise it up small like this. That is fine. Let's finish it and see how it's looking. So this is how I want it to look like, but then I'll still need to make it smaller small because there's a space here, so I'll make it smaller like this. Don't let it cross the line and then went into the designing space. This is fine. So click on finish. All right, I would like us to blend our background down small so we can have a black like this one here. You can have it, you can have the bottom of the background black like this one. So what I will do is I'm going to go into the power clip like this, then click on the background and click on the transparency tool here like this, and I'm going to click here and drag to the bottom like this, small, just small like this. Then I am going to click on finish, then I'll select my black color here. You can see the bottom is now black. Okay, the next thing we do is we are going to do some red color fade to put at this side of the background. If you check the design very well, this part is very red, unlike here. So what we do is we are going to click on the ellipse tool like this, create a very small circle like this, just like this, very small like this. Okay, now let's give it a red color like this, or you can pick a red color from here. Take off the black outline you are seeing around it by going here and click on none. It will go. Now click on the pick tool and zoom out. First thing, let's convert this circle into an image, that is bitmap. Once you click on the circle like this, click on bitmap on the menu bar, click on convert to bitmap, and then click on OK. When you are done, go to effect on the menu bar, go to blur and click on Gaussian blur. So you can see it's blur like this. Okay, now if your own is not showing well, if you're using any lower version of CorelDraw, you will have a bar at the center of your screen. So that is your radius. You can reduce the radius whilst you are watching your color, or you can increase your radius. But I am using a current version of CorelDraw, so my radius is at my right panel here, as you can see. So I'm going to decrease the radius like this so I can see the red more. I can do it like this, then I can see it well. So I like this one like this, so I will leave this radius like this. Now we are going to power clip this red into the background. So click on the red like this, and then click on object on the menu bar, go to power clip and click on place inside frame, then click on the background. So the red is now inside the power clip. How do we adjust it? Go to edit on the menu bar and then come here, put it at where you want it to be, enlarge it small like this. You can do it like this, and then I think that is okay for now. Now click on finish. I like the way it is looking. All right, the next thing we are going to do is we are going to bring the church name at the top here. So this is the church name. I'll bring it here like this. It's called the Way of Salvation. Just type your church name at the top like this. Make sure you type the word present under it. Okay, all right. The next thing you will do is you will type Holy Ghost Encounter. So I'll show you the font we use for the word Holy Ghost. So just click on your text tool, come here and type Holy as you're seeing it. Okay, Holy Ghost. So click on the pick tool and give it a white color so you can see it well. Zoom in to see it well and make it big like this. Now let's use this font called Gallins. If you don't have it, you can go to your Google and download the font by using this name, Gallins font. Okay, all right. If you are a student, you have all these fonts already because font has been sent to you to install on your laptop, or we install all of this font for you if you are a weekend student. Okay, now let's select that font for the Holy Ghost. So you go to font here, just click here and type the name Gallins. So I have Gallins here. Click on the arrow and you see Gallins display. Here is Gallins. Click on it like this, and then you can see it's looking like that already. All right, now let's go and then pick the text tool again, and then come here and type encounter. Encounter. Click on the pick tool, make it big like this, and then choose white color. Let's use this font for the word encounter, this row extra bold. Okay, so just click on the text and then come to the search bar here and type row. It's a family font, so you click on the arrow, you come here and you see many of them. Okay, let's use this one. This is the extra bold. Okay, click on it, and then you're going to adjust it under the word Holy Ghost like this. Make it big like this. Perfect. That is nice. I am not comfortable with the space between the Holy and the Ghost. It's kind of too big for me. So what I will do is I'm going to break this text apart. The Holy and the Ghost, I'm going to break them apart to become one. How do I do that? Press the Control key on the keyboard and then press K. That is cutting the text apart. Okay, now click on the Ghost and use the left arrow key on the keyboard and adjust it like this. The space was too wide, so I think it's better now. Now let me select the tool like this and then make it big like this. Perfect. So let's group it. Ctrl+G on the keyboard for grouping. All right, I think that is okay for now. Let's move the encounter to the top small. So click on it and move it to the top small like this. Perfect. That is nice. So now what do you do? You select the two words like this, copy and paste. Copy and paste. Copy is Ctrl+C on the keyboard, and paste is Ctrl+V on the keyboard. Give them this color. The color code is FEE686. FEE686. So if you are a student, you know how to get your color code already. If you don't have the color code, you can assume and mix the same color, because I taught you how to mix colors. Okay, if you don't know how to do all these things, please just join our graphic design training and we will teach you all of this. Okay, so click on this and then click on the transparency tool, and then you're going to click and drag on the text like this, so that the white will be showing on your right side. So I'll leave it like this. This is okay for me. I'll leave it like this. So the next thing I will do is I'm going to bring their pictures. Bring the man's picture here like this, and then bring this one to picture here like this. Now if the picture is behind the text, what do? You bring them to the front. So click on the picture like this. Like this one is behind the text, so on the picture like this. The reason is because the picture was there before we typed the text. Okay, that's why the text is on the picture. So click on the picture, go to Object on the menu bar, and then go to Order. Click on to front of page. Okay, the same thing applies to this one. Or you can just use the shortcut key on your keyboard. This thing is Shift+Page Up, and it will come to the front. Okay, let's make this picture a bit smaller like this. Now if your picture, the down is not faded, I mean the down part of your picture is not faded, it's kind of looking long, you can just crop it by using this tool, and then fade the bottom like the way we faded the background to have the bottom here black. Just use the transparency tool and click on the picture like this and drag like this. The bottom will be faded, right? All right, thank you so much. Now I think I like the way this one is looking already. I'll make this man's picture a bit bigger. Then I think that is fine. The next thing I'm going to do is I am going to yes, that is fine. I am going to type the theme and the program, and then type the date, the venue, and the time. So I'm going to pick my text tool and come here and type theme in capital letter. When you finish, click on the pick tool and give it white color. The font we use here is called Stretch Pro Basic. So click on the word theme and come to the top here and search for Stretch Pro Basic. If you don't have this font, you can go to your Google and download it. It's called Stretch Pro Font. It's a family font. We have the Pro and then we have the Pro Basic. So I'll use the Pro Basic for this one. So I'll make my theme smaller a bit like this. make it smaller like this. I like to enlarge my Holy Ghost encounter a bit like this. Yes, that is fine. Then I'll bring my theme here like this. Now, instead of me to go here, the text tool, and type again, I will just copy this one. That is Ctrl+C and Ctrl+V. Then I'll bring it down like this. So I've copied and pasted it. Then I'll type this word: with God, it is possible. Click on your text tool and select it like this and type with God, comma 8. Press the enter key. Is possible. So that's the theme for the program. Click on the pick tool. Let's check it out how it's looking. Perfect. That is nice. So now you are going to click on the shape tool. The space between here is kind of too heavy, so you're going to close it like this. Very nice. And now click on the pick tool, and then you are going to make it a bit bigger like this, and then like this. So bring the theme on top of it like this. Now the same thing, just copy the theme and paste it and bring it down like this. Then you're going to click on the text tool, select all of them like this, and then you're going to type the Bible verse you're seeing under this one. It's called Luke chapter 1 verse 37, right? Here it is. So you will type your Luke chapter 1 verse 37 here. Luke 1 verse 37, and click on the pick tool and make it a bit smaller and adjust it under the theme like this. Now at the beginning and the end of the theme, there's something there. Click on this tool. It is called rectangle tool, and draw something like this. Give it white color and take out the black outline by going here. Come here. It's gone. Now move it to the left side small. Copy by Ctrl+C and paste by Ctrl+V from the keyboard, and then move this one to the right side like this. That is perfect. I like it. The next thing we will do is you will type the date, the time, and the venue. So what I will tell you is that just arrange them here like this. Okay, these are the date, the time, and the venue. Just arrange them here like this. So I'm going to bring my own from here. I'm going to bring my own from here, so that I can just paste it there, because obviously you should know how to do that already. So I'm going to bring my date and my time here like this. Make it a bit smaller like this. Then I'm also going to bring the name of the pastor and the name of the head pastor like this. So you can type them. Now if you want to know how to create this, you want to know how to create something like this, let me show you how to create it. Okay, just click on the rectangle tool like this, create it like this, give it a white color, take out the black outline around it. Now you're going to click on the shape tool, and then you do like this. That is nice. So that's what I did. Copy this and paste it. Move it to the head pastor side. We're going to make the two of them smaller like this. So move it this like this, and make this one red color. So now you're going to put their names on it. Okay, I told you if something is behind, what do? Shift plus page up key, then it will come to the front. The same thing applies to this one too. Bring it on the red, shift plus page up key, it comes to the front. Make it smaller like this. So these are the names of the people doing the program. Now let me put this one under it. It is called God is ready for you, just come, and then the contact. So make it smaller to adjust it under the pictures you have. I believe this is looking good already, right? All right. Okay, so this is nice. All right, so I would like to move my pictures to this side smaller like this. and then I like to move this whole thing to this side somewhere like this. Then this two should go to the top somewhere like this. This one should become small a bit like this. Perfect. I like this one. I like this one. Alright, so guys, this is how you design something like this. If you are kind of confused about any of the process that we just went through right now, maybe you still don't get it, I recommend that you join our online graphic design training, or you join our weekend graphic design training. Kindly subscribe to our YouTube channel for more videos that will be coming up on this channel, and I want you to just recommend this channel to somebody who is struggling with church flyer design. We have a lot of videos coming up for different kinds of designs. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like and comment.